Welcome to AtlantaState.com. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're considering selling your home. When choosing a real estate agent, whether on the buy side or the sell side, you want to consider at least three things. One, you want to have a fierce negotiator on your side. In fact, the negotiation process is where a real estate agent really makes their commission. Unfortunately, most real estate agents only sell a few homes a year. And to be an expert negotiator, especially in real estate, you need hundreds, if not thousands of transactions under your belt. The seasoned agents at AtlantaState.com work within the Keller Williams office, which is consistently ranked #1 in the Southeast region for the most volume and closed units. Our top agents at AtlantaState.com have years of experience, hundreds of millions of dollars in closed volume, and close consistently 100 transactions year over year. Two, you want to hire an entire team of professionals, not just a single agent. When you work with AtlantaState.com, you can be assured that you have an entire team of experienced real estate professionals on your side. Whether it be staging your home, ensuring you have professional photography and video, including drone footage, or an entire administrative support staff to ensure that closing goes as planned. And let's not forget about marketing. In fact, achieving the highest sales price possible is often about increasing competition. And in order to do that, you need maximum exposure. The AtlantaState.com team has a marketing suite that comes standard with all of our listings. This includes social media, print, mailers, and the old school door knocking to ensure your house achieves maximum exposure. Three, did I mention experience? Listen, believe it or not, a lot of real estates happen well before the house even hits the market. This is because experienced agents and teams have a network of buyers and sellers ready to do business. When you list with Atlanta State, you'll be getting access to our network of buyers and sellers ready to do business today. This includes local, national, and international buyers. This additional exposure can ensure you receive the highest price possible. Not convinced yet? No problem. Let's discuss over a cup of coffee. We love to show you our audited track record of success and what it means to list your property with AtlantaState.com. So provide some brief information to the left or give us a call using the number below and let's get your home sold.